Before we use Excel for formulas or calculations, it is important to understand how Excel files work. Right now, on my screen, you see the Start screen. From here, I will click on Blank Workbook. This opens a new Excel file. This file is called a workbook. A workbook is simply an Excel file. Every Excel file you save on your computer is called a workbook. Inside this workbook, you can see tabs at the bottom of the screen. These tabs are called worksheets. One workbook can contain multiple worksheets. You can use worksheets to organize different types of data inside the same file. So think of it like this. The workbook is the file. Worksheets are the pages inside that file. In this lesson, you learned what a workbook is, what worksheets are, and how Excel organizes files. In the next lesson, we will start entering data into an Excel worksheet.